Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The popular cocktail consists of vodka, ginger beer and lime juice and is often accompanied by a wedge of lime and is deemed unsafe when consumed in a copper mug. This means, copper mugs that have a copper interior may not be used with this beverage.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Solid copper mugs have been used for centuries to enjoy cool drinks because its structure isolates the cool of the drink and the heat of your hand. First and foremost, copper mugs cool down immediately when your Moscow Mule hits the bottom.
Let's help you make your mark.
Copper mugs are safe to drink from, and most Moscow Mule mugs are lined with another material that fully eliminates the concern of copper exposure and copper toxicity. Even with an unlined mug, copper poisoning is only possible if there is a great amount of copper exposure to the body.
Let's help you make your mark.
Still, proponents of the trend suggest that you limit your copper water intake to 3 cups, 710 milliliters, per day. High copper intakes may lead to copper toxicity in the long run. However, the amount of copper that leaches into water stored in copper containers is below the safety limits.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Water stored in a copper vessel is alkaline and drinking it cools the body down. Since copper is a good conductor of heat, it is advised for cooking. However, it is recommended to be used with a lining made of different material so it doesn't transfer heat too fast.
Take our lead.
Over the years, there have been concerns about drinking coffee from copper mugs. Can you use copper mugs for coffee? Yes, you can use copper mugs for your coffee as long as the mug's interior is lined with a non-reactive metal such as stainless steel, tin, or nickel.
Let's help you make your mark.
Proponents of the new health fad say drinking water from a copper cup or mug can reduce inflammation, aid in thyroid function, regulate blood pressure, and even boost weight loss. Most of these cups are sealed on the inside, so there's no real exposure to the copper, Dr. Lynch said.
Let's help you make your mark.
Drinking out of a copper mug is neither healthy or not healthy, says doctor. There are no studies that find drinking from a copper cup helps with weight loss, improves brain function, slows aging, fights cancer, or reduces inflammation. But a study did find that leaving water in a copper vessel kills off bacteria.
Take our lead.
The Agency for Toxic Substances and Diseases Registry reports that ingesting high levels of copper could lead to harmful effects, from nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, to kidney and liver damage or even death, in extreme cases.
Let's help you make your mark.
Consumption of high levels of copper can cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, gastric, stomach complaints and headaches. A high level of copper in your drinking water will leave a metallic or bitter taste.
Take our lead.
According to their sales pitches, Storing drinking water in a copper vessel could improve your immune system, aid digestion, decrease wound healing times, and even boost your tan. Other claimed health benefits of copper water bottles include improved joint health, iron absorption, thyroid health, and better digestion.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.